Annyeonghaseyo, Chaedamin D Shandepni Da. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with an unboxing for you. And today I am unboxing my Macy's beauty box for June 2018. I will leave all the information down below about Macy's beauty box in case you want to get you one for your very, very own. Let's go ahead and get started. So, Macy's beauty box, right? It comes with this little pamphlet right here that tells you everything that is in the box and everything. You always get like a little cute bag that goes with it. And you also get a $5 off coupon to spend at the Macy's beauty department online. So that's really, really cool. So I will definitely be using that. I believe you can also use that in the store as well. So now that I've taken that off, this is what we have inside. It tells you a description of everything along with the prices, I believe. So I may refer back to this right here just in case. And last month's bag, and I know I didn't unbox it on my channel because May was just, that was a busy, busy month. But what we got in May's bag was awesome. That was like my best box yet. But this one is pretty cool too. This is what the bag looks like. It says Friday, which is tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. So this is the theme. And I like this bag because it is plastic, it's waterproof, it's splash proof. So this is a perfect bag to take if you're at the water park, if you're at the beach, or if you're at the swimming pool. You can put, it has this wrist strap so you can carry it as a purse. You can also use it as a makeup bag, but you can carry it as a purse if you want to put your keys in here, your ID in here, your money, credit cards, cell phone will probably fit in here if you have a small enough phone. So yeah, and it will keep everything dry. I love this. It probably floats. So this is nice. I love this bag. So thank you so much, Macy's, for sending this out. All right, so first things first, this kind of fell out. This is a Marc Jacobs perfume sample in Daisy Love. And I do love perfumes and scents and everything like that. So that's what the bottle looks like. Very pretty. And this is what the little sample looks like right here. It smells kind of good. Very small sample. I have a... I get Scentbird, so I might order this from Scentbird because it smells, let me see, let me just spray a little bit. I don't have anything on me. Yeah, it smells good. This is a perfect summer scent. It's not too flowery. It says it smells like daisy, driftwood, and cashmere musk. And I can definitely smell that. So this is nice. I like this a lot. All right, let's keep it moving. Ooh, we got something here from Peter Thomas Roth. I love Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Cucumber Gel Mask, which looks like this right here, deluxe sample. And by the way, let me just take a look at the little pamphlet really quick. That perfume, by the way, the Marc Jacobs, it is $84 for a full size. The Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask, full size, is $52, all right? So anything Peter Thomas Roth is amazing. This says Extreme Detoxifying Hydrator. Any face products that say hydrating, this girl right here needs because my skin is so dry. So very, very glad to get that in my little Friday bag. Let's keep on going, shall we? Next thing I have is a mascara wand. Ooh, and it's in my favorite color. Y'all know red's my favorite color. Maybe you don't know, but red is my favorite color. This is from Smashbox. This is their Super Fan Out Mascara. I am not going to open this because I am currently using my Tarte sample that I got a while back. I forget this, the Tarte mascara that everybody loves. That's what I'm using on right now. But that's what this looks like right here. Very, very pretty. Full size of the Super Fan is $19. So, very, very cool. Next thing that we got in here is, ooh, I'm excited. Yo, Sunday Riley. Let me tell you something. If you don't know about Sunday Riley skin products, you need to get on it. First of all, it's very expensive. Okay, so what I got here in my hand is a sample of the Sunday Riley CEO. It's 15% vitamin C. It's a brightening serum. This stuff is expensive. Anything Sunday Riley is going to cost you at least like $80. And I was right. The full size of this right here is $85. This is some good stuff though, honey. It's pricey, but it's good. Next thing I have, I've seen this before. This is from Kula. This is, it has SPF 50 in it. And this is the classic sunscreen in the scent Fresh Mango Moisturizer. So this is a moisturizer sunscreen, which is something that I need right now because it's hot outside. It is like 97 degrees and it's supposed to rain in a few days, but it's sweltering out there. This is $32 for full size, all right? Next thing, or the last thing that I got, what are you? You are from Body Blur. This is, it's in Latte Medium Dark, whatever this is. I want to say it's Body Blur. This is what the box looks like. Let me read up and see what you are. Okay, so this says it's an instant HD skin finish. The full size of this is $45. I need to see what you do. Get that sun-kissed look you crave without the UV rays. So this is like a bronzer. This is like a bronzer. And you get a nice size of this bronzer right here. Okay, this is cool. This is really, really cool. I could have used this today, actually. I could have used this look because I had on a little sundress today. So I had my, what is that called? Décolleté, whatever it's called in French. I had that, you know, showing and whatnot. I could have had my shoulders out. I could have put some of that on there and been glowing on my way to my meeting, but I didn't do it. So anyway, that's everything in my Macy's beauty box right here, my Friday beauty box for June 2018. Let's go ahead and recap. Besides this very handy travel bag that I got that is just genius, I got the Body Blur bronzer. That's what I'm going to call it, a bronzer. Glow. I could probably use that as a highlighter too, maybe. From Kula, I got the sunscreen with SPF 50 Fresh Mango. From Sunday Riley, I got the CEO, worth $85. Try Sunday Riley. It's expensive, like I said, but it's good. My favorite, Peter Thomas Roth, right here. This is the Cucumber Gel Mask. I might use this tonight because I need to, when I get this makeup off, I need to, you know, do a nice mask on my face. I got the Super Fan Mascara here from Smashbox Cosmetics. This is so classy and red. And then last but not least, I got this Daisy Love Marc Jacobs perfume. And I think I'm going to get a sample of this. I got a sample. I'm going to get like a little sample of it, I guess you want to call it a sample, in my Scentbird. Alright, so yep, that there is everything in my Macy's beauty box for this month. If you get Macy's beauty box, let me know what you got. I think we all get the same thing. Leave a comment down below. Let's talk about it. Have you used any of these products that I showed off? If you have experience with them, leave it down below. Leave me some tips. I like to hear from you guys. Speaking of, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I am close to 1,000 subscribers. When I reach that threshold, there will be a giveaway, and I will let you know what that giveaway is when I reach 1,000. Thank you so much to my new and my old subscribers. Thank you for clicking on the video and watching it all the way through. I did pick up some new subscribers. I noticed when I was on my little tiny hiatus, so thank you so much. I know that there's a lot of videos like this, but yet you clicked on mine, and for that, I appreciate you. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you next time. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나